50 years ago, the story of the Audi A6 began with the Audi 100. The car was designed in secret by a team led by Dr. Ludwig Krauss because of a total ban on all new car development. As Volkswagen's Heinrich Nordhoff walked slowly round the car, the stakes could hardly have been higher. And then he uttered the words that created Audi as we know it today. 50 years on from that date, we can unveil the 8th generation. Ladies and gentlemen, the brand new Audi A6. This new Audi A6 is extremely versatile with full digital ease of use. Of course, it's got a wide range of assistance options for added comfort and the sporty pedigree that you come to expect. The A6 really is the business class all-rounder. What I like most of all about this whole interior environment is that it can be yours and yours alone. Everything is completely customizable. And that means that you can set your own profile, and so can up to 7 drivers. And like your smartphone, you can use the panel to move the things that are important to you into their correct position. Another little trick is the voice command system. Let's give it a try. It's too hot in here.
What temperature would you like to set?
19 degrees.
I'll lower the temperature to 19 degrees.
Perfect. Ah, bliss. The reduced noise level is so noticeable. In the rear of the car, supremely comfortable seats, air conditioning with ionisation, and enough headroom for a team of basketball players. And it's the little touches you're going to love as well. It's dark, can't find the seatbelt. Oh, there it is, helpfully lit up for you. The eyes tell you everything, and these pulsing homecoming and leaving lights just give you a little clue to the A6's identity. Take a look at this rear end. The unique light signature completely hides any break in the body, and this 3D chrome strip doesn't just look great, it makes the car wider and lower, even more powerful looking. Look at this, razor edges everywhere, all the details are absolutely pin sharp. And back at the rear of the car, the return of the Quattro blister. I love it. It just speaks of power and performance. How are we going to sum up the brand new A6 then? Well, business class travel has certainly moved on, hasn't it? The car is absolutely stunning. It really is. Ein schöner Wagen. Ein sehr schöner Wagen. And one other thing is for certain. It's a car you're not going to want to get back out of.